Today we're going to make this easy pipe cleaner heart ring craft.
For today's craft, all you need is a pipe cleaner. Now I am using red. The craft is going to make a ring and a heart, so you choose whatever color. Last time I chose pink, but it doesn't really matter what color. Once you have your pipe cleaner, you're going to go to one end and you're going to pick a finger and just wrap that pipe cleaner around your finger so it has enough room. Don't go too tight because you want to be able to slide it off. And if you're making it for someone else and you know that they have bigger fingers, then you can go ahead and make it a little bit larger. But once you have about the size, you're just going to turn and turn and turn and turn just until it's secure. And make sure you can get your finger off. So there you have your loop. And that's going to be for your finger. Then you're going to slide to the other end and you're just going to start rolling. Now when I say roll, you're going to take this tip and really closely rolling it. I just put my fingers one on this end, one on this end, and I roll holding this tight. See how it's rolling like that? I'm just rolling, keeping it nice and tight. So once again, I have a finger here, a finger here. I have this hand here, just pulling nice and snug, and I'm just rolling. So I'm going to do that all the way down to the bottom. Okay, now you're going to have this circle. And all I'm going to do is form a heart. So I just take my finger and push down at the top in the middle, carefully holding the rest of it, just a little bit in the middle, and then squeezing this end and squeezing this end. And I'm just going to play with it a little bit. So you got to keep doing that. It might come apart a little bit. That's okay. Just put your fingers back there to hold it. Pushing my finger in the middle and then pushing my thumb here just to squeeze to make that tip of the heart and this part of the heart. And you just keep going. And then at the bottom, I want a little bit of a point at the bottom until it's forming a heart shape. So just keep playing with it. Don't worry if it comes apart. You can just push back together until you have a heart shape that you like. And there we go. Now I have a little bit here left over from when I started, so I'm just going to curl that up so you can't see it. You may or may not have that. And then there's my ring. So I can put that on my finger. And you can see that you have it this way, or you can flip it this way. Doesn't really matter, but there you have a cute little heart, perfect for Valentine's Day or a little gift for someone. And here I used a fluffier pipe cleaner and I did it in pink. So there you go. If you like this craft, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.